Hey there and welcome to another video. After watching this video, you'll be able to remove the pop-up ads that frequently keeps coming on your phone. I completely understand that how much frustrating this problem is, and I'm gonna help you to solve this problem on your phone. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so let us begin by the method 1. So for the method 1, you need to go to the Google Chrome or the browser which you are using on your phone and go to the settings of the device. Once you are in the settings, you need to scroll a little bit down and find an option saying privacy. You need to open that option and you need to clear the browsing data of your browser. So simply click on clear browsing data and you need to click on all time range from here, and you can uncheck the last 3 boxes from here and simply click on clear data. This will just delete the browsing history on your browser. Once that is done, you need to go to the site settings option which is below that, and from here you need to find out pop-ups and redirects, which will be allowed by default. You need to turn it off, and once you turn it off, that will stop showing any ads. But you also need to turn off the ads option which is just below that. It is also allowed as usual and you need to turn it off from here. Once that is done, you can exit this browser, and if you have multiple browsers on your phone, you need to do the same in all of them. For me, I have the default browser of Samsung, so I'll just open that browser on my phone and do the exact same. So here you need to again go to the settings of the browser and clear the browsing data, just like I do right now. From here you need to go to privacy and security under the advanced section, and from here you need to delete browsing data. You can uncheck the last 3 boxes again. Once that is done, you need to go back, and from here once again you need to go to sites and downloads, which is just below the previous option, and you need to turn on this block pop-ups option over here. Once that is done, you can exit this browser as well. So for the method 2, you need to go to the settings of your device and then scroll down and find accounts and backups option over here. Now this will be different from device to device, but on my phone it is saying accounts and backup. You need to click on that and click on accounts, and from here you need to select any one of your accounts on your phone, whether it be Google or any other platform. So you can just select that account and click on Google account option over here. It will redirect to something like this, where you need to go to the third tab from the top which says data and personalization. You'll find something like this. You need to scroll down and find add personalizations tab over here which says go to ad settings. You need to click on go to ad settings option and it will take you over here. Now you need to turn off this option saying add personalization on. You need to turn it off, and once you click on turn off button over here, it will say you something like this. Here you need to click on visit your online choices option. It will again take you to somewhere which will run something which will look like this. First of all, it will show something like this, data connection interrupted or something like that. Don't worry at all. It is basically checking those things. Now let it do what it wants to do. Now once the check is complete, you need to click on continue, and it will show you a list of these things. So you need to go on the top and click on opt out of all. You need to click on select all and make sure that all of these boxes are selected. Once you do that, you need to click on opt out of all option at the center at the bottom, and once you do that, it will again run something which will look like this. I have fast forwarded that for you, and once the check will be complete, you will see something like this. Now from here you need to click on see or view updated results. Once you do that, you will see something like this which you can just check once and just exit out of this window. So now for the method 3, you need to go to Google Play Store and download a software which is called as Malwarebytes. Just go to Play Store and search Malwarebytes and download the software on your phone. Once the software is downloaded, you can simply open the software. And now you can get started, and again if it asks for giving some permissions, you can give it complete permissions, and if it asks for starting Premiere trial, you simply need to skip that process. Now once you open the software, you first need to update the database by clicking on this button over here. So simply update the database of the software. It will take some time, don't worry. It will show that the app is freezed or something like that. It's completely fine. and once the updating the database is finished, it will show you something like this and start checking the device. But now you need to scan the device. So simply click on scan now and it will start scanning your device. It will scan each and every app on your phone, each and every files on your phone, and scan for any malware. Now, if it finds any malware on your phone, it will show you something like this. If it doesn't find any malware or any virus on your phone, then it's completely fine. But if it shows something like this, then you need to click on remove selected and uninstall the app or whatever the virus would be inside. So PowerDirector is a completely safe app. I don't know why this is showing this over here, but you can uninstall it for now. So once that is done, the problem must be solved. Alright, so I hope that this video had helped you in removing the ads from your phone. If it did, then don't forget to turn the like button from gray to blue and subscribe my channel with the notifications turned on for more such videos from this side. So that was all for this video. Catch you in the next one.